Good morning, class, and good morning to our wonderful guest teacher. Thank you for being in our class today. This message is for the students and the guest teachers. Here's how our day goes in our class. Every day, students log on to their Clever account, and when they get to their Clever account, they have an online classroom. So the kids will go to their online classroom the same way I'm sending it to you, and they'll click on the day. Today is Thursday. So the kids will see this, and this is also what your substitute teacher will see, so they can go to what they need for the day. So students, your day will start off at 8 o'clock in the morning on your own for week 36 Daily Fix-Its. You're going to click here, and when your Google Classroom opens, there you go. There's your Daily Fix-It sentences. Those are your independent activities in the morning until Zoom. Your next independent activity is math, 8:20. You need to click here and go to extramath.org and complete your daily extra math activity. Then, students, you'll go to IXL.com and work on any gold stars like we've been working on. We're trying to finish anything on IXL that we haven't finished yet. So reminder, students, when we go to IXL, you're always going to go to level E. And once you're on level E, the ones with the gold stars are the ones that you should be working on. If you have a gold medal on the side, don't choose that one. If you're still trying to get a gold medal, choose that one. You need to work on any of the gold stars that you have not gotten a gold medal on yet. All right. After that, your next independent activity is a vocabulary crossword puzzle. You're going to go ahead and open up your vocabulary crossword puzzle. Make sure you open it in Kami when you try to open it, because that's how you type in it. Open with Kami, otherwise you can't type on it. And here you go. Here's your crossword, and there are your words. So one across will be here, one going across. When something is kept safe. So when something is kept safe, it is protection. Protection keeps safe. So you're going to click your text box. You're going to write a P. You're going to click your next text box. Protection. O. Your next one. O. Your next one. T. Your next one. E. And if you need to spell it, go down. C. Next one. T. I. O. N. You have to click in the box a couple times. The only other way you can do it is if you have a mouse. It's pretty easy to draw, and you could do it like this. P. R. O. T. E. C. T. I. O. N. But it's only easy to draw if you have a mouse. Otherwise, you need to use your text box tool. Okay? So try to get the rest of them done using your vocabulary words for this week. Then, after your vocabulary crossword, your independent activity, you'll have reading. Go to McGraw-Hill Online by clicking here. Then you're going to click on the story, Life in a Tide Pool. Listen to it on your own. Then when you're done, you're going to go to Renaissance Learning to take an AR quiz, independent, on your own. Then, at 10 o'clock, you will log on to Zoom with your guest teacher today. I will not be here. Here's how you get on with your guest teacher. Do not go to my normal Zoom. It's going to be right here. Go to the substitute teacher Zoom here. You'll go ahead and click this right here, and it'll go to the Zoom. I don't have it up yet. I will have it up very soon. So you'll click here, and it'll take you right to your substitute teacher Zoom. Okay? And then when you're with your substitute teacher, you're going to correct week 36 Daily Fix-It by clicking here. Oops. Then, with your substitute teacher, you're going to correct the crossword by clicking here. It'll go. Then, you're going to read Because of Winn-Dixie. Because of Winn-Dixie is a novel that we are reading out loud in class. Not this week, when you have a substitute teacher, you're only going to read one chapter a day. I know we read two a lot of times, but you're only going to read one chapter a day. That way, when I come back, we can finish the book together, okay? So Your teacher will read to you chapter 21 out loud. And then afterwards, if you have a question or you made a connection to a character or you have a feeling about the chapter, you're going to go ahead and share that after your guest teacher reads you one chapter from Because of Winn-Dixie. Okay? Then you could have your break, 15 minutes. And then you have a Polygon assignment. You're going to click on Polygon assignment. Your teacher is also going to click on Polygon assignment. Once you open it up, you'll click Open with Kami so you can write on it. Always click Open with Kami if you can. Now that you have Open with Kami here, you can go ahead and start filling this out with your guest teacher. So it says the name of the shape. Remember, we're learning about geometry and polygons. It says shape, square. So how many sides does this shape have? You can use your text box. It has 4 sides. How many angles? Ooh, not 44. It has how many angles? I'm going to draw my angles. They're right here. 1 angle or corner, 2 angles, 3. Oh, I should be making these a square because they're right angles, huh? Right angles. So there are 4. So you can also put your drawing tool, 4. Symmetrical means if you cut it in half, is it the same on each side? So let's check this. I'm going to erase. And now I'm going to cut it in half. If I cut it right down the middle, will it be the same? Pretty much. Can you fold it over? You just got to imagine, can you fold it over? The answer is yes. And the real world example means what in real life has that shape? Well, a lot of times a desk is a square. And I'm sure you and your guest teacher can think of plenty of things to put in this list. Or what else is a square? I'm looking around my room. There's so many rectangles. Oh, a Post-it note. There's a Post-it note. That's definitely a square. See what else you can think of and add that to the list, okay? You're going to go through each of these polygons and you're going to fill out the sides, the angles. If it's symmetrical, meaning can you cut it in half and put some more word examples. You have a lot of polygons to do this to, 2 pages, so that we can learn about our polygons, okay? After you do that, then it should be close to the end of Zoom at 12:15. You'll leave your guest teacher, have your lunch, and then in the afternoon you're on your own again, not on Zoom, to finish your journal and play some games this afternoon, addition games. So this is when you're going to be with your guest teacher. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you all soon.